Hi, to change battery display options on your Xiaomi 13, just go in the phone settings first, and from here select this notifications and status bar. And after that, you would see this section battery indicator. Just select it and now you'll find three options. We can select either just this plain battery icon, which will look like that. We can choose battery icon with battery percentage in the middle, and the third option is plain battery icon and the battery percentage on the right side of this icon. Just select any option from the list by tapping it like this, and it would be immediately saved. And additionally, you can hide notch, which is this camera icon basically. Just go in this section and select option hide without moving status bar, but in that case the display will become smaller because now we got this black line on the top of the screen. So just choose any of the option and save the changes by going back. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.